There are 7 great continents on which we human beings live. Each of them has its own marvelous creatures, birds and mammals, animals of all kinds. We are making a series about those 7 continents. It's called 7 Worlds, One Planet.